In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best waveform generators available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the waveform generators mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, OWON DGE 2035/70 Waveform Signal Generator. The OWON DGE 2035/70 is a reliable signal generator for electrical DIY projects and testing. With a 70 MHz frequency output, 300 MSA/s sample rate, and 14-bit vertical resolution, it delivers exceptional precision and performance. The 3.6-inch LCD screen offers a clear interface, while SEPI and LabVIEW support provide advanced control for professionals. Ideal for creating, analyzing, and testing waveforms, this device is a must-have for engineers and enthusiasts seeking high functionality at a competitive price. Number 4, JDS 6600 Dual-Channel Signal Generator. Designed for electronics engineers and researchers, the JDS 6600 offers dual-channel signal generation with independent phase adjustment and pulse width precision from 25 nanoseconds to 4000s. It supports a frequency range up to 60 MHz and features a 266 MSA/s sampling rate for accuracy. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for creating and analyzing complex waveforms. Whether for professional use or advanced hobby projects, this device ensures reliability and precision in every experiment and application. Number 3, UNI-T UTG932E/UTG962E Waveform Generator. The UNI-T UTG932E/UTG962E is a dual-channel waveform generator tailored for testing and learning purposes. Its 1 μHz resolution ensures high accuracy, while logarithmic and linear sweep modes enhance its functionality. The 4.3-inch TFT LCD offers a user-friendly interface for waveform creation and analysis. Designed for versatility, it caters to both beginners and professionals. Its robust features and exceptional precision make it a great addition to any lab or workspace. Number 2, FI 2300 Dual-Channel Signal Generator. The FI 2300 is a powerful tool for electronic engineers and labs, offering 31 preset DDS signals and user-defined waveforms. With a 200 MSA/s sampling rate, ±5 × 10⁻⁶ frequency accuracy, and ±1 × 10⁻⁶ stability, it ensures precision and reliability. Features like short circuit protection and amplitude stability enhance its durability. Spooky 2 compatibility and advanced settings make it ideal for diverse applications, from waveform testing to complex engineering projects. A dependable device for professional and hobbyist use. Number 1, ZT703S Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter Combo. The ZT703S combines a dual-channel oscilloscope and a digital multimeter in one device, making it perfect for electrical engineers and DIY enthusiasts. It features waveform data storage, a 25,000-character multimeter, and dual signal generation for advanced testing. This compact, multifunctional tool is perfect for circuit analysis and troubleshooting, offering both precision and convenience. Its user-friendly design and robust functionality make it a top choice for tackling complex signals and everyday electrical projects.